We've just arrived at Swinton Park Hotel. We've come to the country club and spa first to have a couple of hours in the spa before we can check into our tree lodge. We're staying 2 nights in one of the tree lodges, off-grid, with no electric. But first, let's enjoy the spa. Just relaxing in the alfresco sauna area, Swinton Park Spa. We're staying for 2 nights, so we'll just come to the spa before we check in at 4 o'clock for the tree lodge. This is an outdoor natural pool, lovely and refreshing for a swim in there. Jacuzzi. Now we're on our way to the tree lodge, crossing the ford. This is the residence lounge where you can have a cup of tea and coffee and charge your phone up because there's no electric in the tree house. Here we go, Cuckoo Hollow is the name of our tree lodge. Let's walk down and see where we're going to be staying the next 2 nights. Just walking down to our tree lodge now, Cuckoo Hollow. Nice and scenic, surrounded by all the woodland. There's a hammock, nice bench outside. And this is our tree lodge. There's our wood-fired hot tub. Here's our tree lodge. Bottle of wine to welcome us. Prosecco. Nice log burner. Enough beds to sleep 7 people, but there's only 2 of us here. In the penthouse suite up there. Double bed up there. 2 single beds there, another single bed there. There's a bathroom, shower and toilet. We've just checked in at our tree lodge at Swinton Bivouac, staying for 2 nights. Look at these amazing views. A nice woodland sauna here. We'll have a look at that now. That's the amazing view we get from our tree lodge. Sure, it's not nicer weather. Oh, a nice woodland sauna as well. Cold drenched shower. You can just light it yourself. Have to get it lit and try it out. That's it, I've lit the sauna, just need it to warm up now. Sit in this sauna looking at that view. Just sat relaxing in the woodland sauna now. 6 p.m, our first night in the tree lodge. So just trying out the sauna for a little bit. Lovely and relaxing. Got the log burner lit now. Hopefully it stays lit. It's supposed to be a good night for seeing the aurora tonight, so it's going to be pitch black up here once the sun sets, so hopefully we'll see something tonight. It's the next morning now, sun's just rising. Never saw anything last night, just too dark. Lovely morning, sat having a coffee outside our tree lodge. So peaceful. Our first morning waking up at the tree lodge, sun shining, just rose, just lit the hot tub now, trying to get it lighted, try and get it warmed up earlier today. Just walking down to the cafe now for breakfast. There are all the yurts there, what you can stay in as well. They have a shared hot tub and a little separate shed area with an extra bed. You can also hire bikes from here as well, there's plenty of bike routes. Time to relax in the spa for a couple of hours again. This is the main pool, nice big pool. Plenty of massage area bits in there with all the water jets coming out. Salt steam room and the sauna in the corner. Foot spas and another steam room. That's an outdoor bio natural pool. Al fresco sauna. A log burner down there where you can sit and have a drink as well. Just ring the bell and it'll bring you a drink out, whatever you want. This is an outdoor al fresco sauna. Lovely sat there with the sunshine. This is a barefoot garden in the spa. Walk across all this gravel with your bare feet. Feels good. Even a nice well-equipped gym here as well if you fancy a workout. Our 2-night couples retreat package included lunch at the terrace, so we've just come down to the terrace for lunch. Warming up now. There's a woodland sauna with lovely views. Oh, it's hot. This sauna's absolutely boiling hot. 80 degrees, absolutely sweating. Look at that view. I'm gonna have to get outside now and get in that cold shower, cool off. Hot tub's red hot now, 50 degrees, a bit too hot. Just gonna get in the hot tub now. Now it's nice 40 degrees. I'm gonna get in there and relax, try it out. Our second night in the tree lodge. Just getting to sunset now. Just had some tuna pasta, then we're gonna go and relax in the hot tub again before it gets dark. So cosy in here, all candle lit with a log burner going. Well, it's nearly time to check out. It's been 2 amazing nights here. I would definitely recommend coming to this tree lodge. Off-grid, but you don't need electric. You've got your wood-fired hot tub. They give you rechargeable lights for lights, and you've got candles, matches, gas to cook what you need, gas for hot water, basically everything you need. One final breakfast before we go.